Hello, I'm Ilya from Eocortex, and today I will show you how to work with automation. Automation is a function that allows you to configure automatic actions or scheduled actions in Eocortex. So to do that, we open Configurator, Automations, and then we select a group of cameras or separate cameras. So, for example, we select camera 1 and have three options: scheduled tasks, tasks by events, and integrations. For scheduled tasks, we create a new one, put the name of the task. So let's use task 1, add some description if we want, then next. Create the schedule, for example, by weeks on Monday every week at 10 o'clock. Next, and then add action. So here we can select one of these actions. And for example, let's use save the frame. Here we select the directory, like desktop, select the format, and also set the maximum size of this folder. So, okay, and here is the new task. So ready. And for this camera, now we have a first task. If we want, we can edit it, delete, or add a new one. Let's select camera 2 and use tasks by events. So here there are several tasks, so user tasks, tasks on system events, and actions. So let's start with tasks on system events. Here, for example, we can use no connected cameras. In this case, right now we already have a first action is alarm generation. But of course, we can use another one, for example, tracking. And if there was a tracking event, we can add an action. And for example, we want to send signal to camera output. Apply. And here we can configure the action. So the camera, limitation on the time. Do not perform than once in several seconds, like 10 seconds. Output number, output value. And here we can set the runtime conditions. For example, add a condition, event time zone equal alarm in the zone, or alert type, line intersection, moving within the zone, or lengthy presence. So in this case, we can configure the runtime conditions and scenarios. And actions, So we can create a scenario. If some event happened, then do some task. Then also we can create several actions for the same situation and create some kind of a sequence of these actions. For example, if there was movement in the frame, change the position of the PTZ cameras, then pause and change the position again, and so on. So in this case, you can also create the order of several actions. Then integrations. In this menu, we can also enable some integrations. The most interesting integration for Eocortex is Honeywell Pro Watch. So we can enable it, open settings, And first of all, we need to connect the Honeywell system. So here we need to put the IP address, ports, and username with the password. After that, we click connect and check the status. Right now, it's not being tested. And after that, if the connection is okay and the server is available, we will see the list of devices. And after that, we can create also some tasks by events. If there was a task from another system, we do some action. So there will be a fully integrated system between these two softwares, Eocortex and Honeywell, for example. Another option is user tasks. So here we can click on it, task name, for example, test, and select the action. Once again, for example, send signal to camera output. Here we can also use the confirmation of action. So user will need to confirm that before launching this action. And once again, we will have the settings for this action too. So this is how can we do some automations about the system and use Eocortex more efficiently to create scenarios, different actions for different events. Also creation of the schedule tasks if we want to create a schedule for the system to do some actions in the background. And also integration, how to combine several systems together. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.